name is Kritika and I am an advocate in our enterprise team.
My name's Curtis and I work on our technical pod.
I'm Stephanie. I'm team lead of our enterprise customer support team at Hootsuite.
Hootsuite is so valuable to us in customer support because it's a powerful tool that lets us see when a customer reaches out to us directly or even indirectly through a search stream on our dashboard.
So if someone's reaching out to support directly, obviously we can pick that up through our channels, but we can also set up search streams for any passive or indirect mentions of Hootsuite or Hootsuite help, or someone reaching out saying, I have an error on my Hootsuite app. We can find that post even though they're not reaching out to us and then assist that user. The Hootsuite support team in terms of structure is comprised of 70 advocates globally. So we have customer advocates in technical and billing and enterprise. We also have senior customer advocates, so they will help with quality assurance and also more advanced troubleshooting. We also have 6 team leads globally, so 4 dedicated to self-serve technical and billing, 2 to enterprise. And then we have our extended leadership team, which consists of managers in Mexico City and Bucharest. Some of the advantages of doing support via social, first of all, social is deeply embedded in so many aspects of an organization, whether it's through customer support, marketing, or sales. So it's really important that we have a strong social customer support presence.
And to add to that, the biggest advantage of doing support via social is that it's prompt, it's in real time, and we can provide personalized responses to our customers. And we are constantly monitoring the dashboard for any customer feedback so that we can forward it to our product team and help them build a better platform.
Some interesting facts about our team. Much like the social team, we consider ourselves to be customer zero. So because we're using the platform every day, we get to try new features when they come out and then provide direct feedback to product on what's working really well and what maybe could use some tweaking to ensure a more seamless experience when providing social customer support.
We also have multiple offices around the globe. Here in Vancouver, we have a support team, and then we have an advocate out in London, England. We have a team in Bucharest, Romania. And we have our newest support office, which is in Mexico City. We're able to officially support 5 languages for support, which is English, Spanish, French, German, and Italian. And with that said, we can then assign things to our multilingual channels. If a Spanish mention comes in, I might not be able to answer that, but somebody in one of our other offices might be able to. And then even on a higher level, we can monitor what our response time is on that. So we use multiple different aspects of Hootsuite for support. We're just going to be going over a quick overview of how we in support use the Hootsuite dashboard. Normally, we would be working inside the Hootsuite dashboard, but to protect privacy, we've set up another company called Athene Suites. The first thing we see in a day is the dashboard. From here, we can monitor streams such as our mentions, which are our own tweets or posts, or even posts regarding a certain subject through a search stream. Using the mention stream helps us keep track of all questions and concerns that we may receive in a day. This also allows us to maintain a close relationship with all of our customers, as we will see every request that comes through in a chronological order. Should we have a longer conversation with a user, we can always locate that conversation through the Show Conversation icon at the bottom of any message. This helps us work more closely with our customers, as not everyone can get back right away. Everyone lives busy lives, and we understand that. As we pass off our social shifts between advocates throughout the day, this helps us keep track of everything that comes in and goes out. This also helps us keep fluidity in what we're doing. We may receive questions in another language. We can easily assign these requests to the proper team through the stream using this easy assign to icon. So here we have assigned this Spanish request to our support team with a note saying Spanish request, and we'll go ahead and sign that right now. However, not all concerns come directly to our support handle, Hootsuite_help, or in this case, Athene Suites. We can monitor the usage of words such as Hootsuite, or again in this case, Athene, for our test account here. This helps us catch anything that would otherwise fall through the cracks. We do want to address every request that comes through in a timely manner. These indirect mentions or usage of keywords can be assigned automatically or manually, just like we did with the Spanish request that came through as well.
Assignments are messages assigned for action to different teams and team members. assignments make it quick and easy to reply to incoming message across your organization's social network without duplicating the responses. They're important for support team because they ensure timely and relevant replies to our customer issues from right people. Assignments can either be created manually or they can be created automatically. For example, here we have post that is asking about a bill and a refund. So if we want to create an assignment manually, we'll just go to the drop-down menu and assign to the relevant team so that this can be actioned. Assignments are created automatically by creating an automation rules. For example, over here we have the customer support assignment automation rule. This rule is set up such that any incoming message with keywords reservation, error, cancel, hotel, book, help would automatically be picked and assigned to the customer support team. In the dashboard, we can see one of the examples for this automated assignment is this post that was assigned to the customer support team automatically because it picked up the keywords book and reservation. Once a message is assigned, it can be managed in Assignments Manager. We are a global team and we receive questions from customers all around the world. Assignments help us to forward messages to our multilingual support advocate for a more catered response. For example, the Spanish tweet over here is assigned to our multilingual channel so that it can be replied to by a Spanish advocate.
We're moving over to Inbox now, which is a feature that lets us monitor our Twitter direct messages and our Facebook messages all in the same place. Having all of our messages in a single area of the dashboard really helps us maintain conversations with our customers in a timely manner. We can reply to a user in Inbox through the conversations you see here, while retaining all past messages we may exchange. This makes it very easy to manage what may have been discussed yesterday or a couple weeks ago. With multiple advocates jumping in and out of our social space, it is so important to be able to view the entire conversation, just like you would a text message or a Facebook message natively. Inbox is organized by organization, should there be one, at the top of the page. As you can see, there are a few organizations listed here. This ensures that we are not drowning in messages from every social network that might be connected to the Hootsuite account, while also letting us manage just the messages that we're looking for more effectively. All of Inbox can also be accessed from our mobile app, so you can take your messages on the go if you need to. Lastly, Inbox does have its own specific assignments. These live in Inbox and can be managed through Inbox. This comes in handy if a request comes in another language or something that's more specified to another team. This way, we can direct a customer to the proper channel very easily.
Okay, now I'm going to show you how customer support uses message tags to automatically categorize incoming posts. Our tag manager allows us to create new tags and add a description to that tag when we're creating it, or it allows us to batch create multiple tags at once. When you're batch creating multiple tags, you can then later go in and edit each individual tag to add a description. Tagging is really useful because then we can set up automated routing that will apply tags to posts based on specific keywords that we set. We can then later go into analytics and filter our reports for specific tags to track incoming volume associated with that tag. Within our automation manager, we can create automatic tagging rules based on monitors such as incoming messages for social networks, message type, or keyword-based rules. This gives us the flexibility to focus on live interactions with customers through streams or inbox, while having the confidence that Hootsuite is doing the work for us and monitoring streams and applying tags to posts that require action from our team. As an example, if we go to our Athene Suite search stream, I can do a quick scroll and see that this message was picked up by our automatic tagging manager, and I can see that it's requiring action from support right away.
Analytics are important for tracking metrics that help us to analyze team and individual performances on social and give insights into effectiveness of customer service efforts put up by the support team. For example, here we have created a custom report and added key team metrics like first response time, handling time, pickup time, and resolution time. The first response time measures the time it did take for an advocate to engage with a complaint. This metric actually measures the waiting time of customers who reached out to the business in search of help. Pickup time over here measures the time from when the message was posted by customer and the time it took to create an assignment around it. A pro tip, you can significantly reduce your pickup time by using automated assignments in Hootsuite. Handling time over here reflects the lifetime of an assignment. It's how much time it took to resolve an assignment from the moment it was created. The shorter the handling time, the quicker is the response to your customers. Resolution time is the total time it took for an advocate to solve the customer inquiry from the moment the message was first posted by the customer until the assignment got resolved. The data we receive from analytics in Hootsuite dashboard is analyzed by our workforce analysts for measuring the team's efficiency, promptness, ability to meet targets, and the areas of improvement. Having a concrete data about team's performance on social is key to allocating the right resources to the team in order to improve the customer's experience when they reach out to the support team via social.
Hootsuite's ecosystem expands the range of functionality available to our support team. Our app directory includes a large list of partner apps and integration that allow our team to work with the multiple support tools that we use in our roles. Two apps that I would like to highlight are Zendesk and SnapEngage. For example, if a customer is reaching out with a billing inquiry, to protect their private information, we would pull that to either an email ticket through Zendesk or a live chat through SnapEngage. As another example, if a customer reaches out with an advanced technical problem and we may require more advanced troubleshooting or sharing of screenshots, we would also send that to either Zendesk or to SnapEngage to begin a live chat. Zendesk is available through a plugin in the Twitter mentions stream. So if I was to pull this interaction to a ticket so that one of our Spanish-speaking agents could assist this user, I would click on the three dots, navigate to Send to Zendesk plugin. This will allow me to pre-populate certain fields such as the subject, the description, which is the message that the user will see, the status, the type of issue, the priority, and it will allow me to automatically assign the post to myself right away. In this case, if we had available agents on chat, we could also send a user directly to SnapEngage, which is our live chat platform.